Consider a typical retail store scenario. A user enters a retail store and she might walk purposefully to a section that she has in her mind. Upon reaching that section, she might dwell in that section, browsing through the aisle looking for products to buy. While dwelling, she might gaze at specific products or examine them more closely to determine whether or not to buy them. Each of these physical aspects of the user's shopping behavior might be indicative of her interest. Tracking the elements of physical browsing like walking, gazing, dwelling, reaching out, etc. might give us deep insights into users' interest. We term this physical analytics. This is analogous to its online counterpart, where users visit certain web pages, dwell on a subset of them, click on certain links while ignoring others. How do we develop a system that could track users' physical browsing? We could make use of mobile devices like smartphones or smart glasses. For the purpose of this demo, we make use of smart glasses and combine the first-person vision enabled by smart glasses with inertial sensing to classify users' physical behavior. Using accelerometer, we can say if the user took a step or not. By combining the information obtained from inertial sensors and camera, we can say if the user's view is steady. Further, we can also identify the object the user was gazing at by processing the image captured by the camera. For this demo, we have created a mock-up of a retail store, and let's now see how our system Third Eye helps us in tracking users' physical browsing. We can perform analytics on the data gathered using our system and draw conclusions like which is the product that was viewed the most. Apart from retail stores, our system can be used to track users' physical browsing in other indoor spaces, say during a conference or a trade show. For instance, to track a user in a poster session during a conference, we can make use of the posters and use OCR to determine the poster that the user is gazing at. We have evaluated our system in 2 retail stores in the US with the participation of 7 shoppers.